Act 3rd, Scene 2. It took place at another part of the island. There enter Caliban, Stephano and Trincula. Stephano was talking to Trincula. Tell not me, when the butt is out, we will drink water, not a deep before therefore. Bear up and board them, servant monaster, drink to me. Stephano told to Trincula that let us not stop drinking only when the cask of wine is empty. Will we drink water? Follow me and deal with the cask of wine. Servant monaster, drink to my health. They were already in the drunken situation, too much drunkard. And Stephano told that we will not stop drinking till our wine bottle is empty. After our wine bottle is empty, will we drink the water? No. So, follow me. I will show you the cask of wine. And servant monaster, we are drinking wine for our health. Then Trincula said, servant monaster, the folly of this island, they say there is but 5 upon this isle, we are 3 of them. If the other 2 be brained like us, the state totters. Trincula said that servant monaster, on this island, everyone was so fool. What fools they are. There seems to be only 5 human beings on the island. And among that 5 human beings, 3 are we.
3 are?
We. Trincula, Stephano and Caliban. And he said that if the other 2 have no better brain than ours, then the state would collapse. That we are too wise. He was thinking themselves too wise. And he said that if other 2 human beings, they are not having bright brain like us, then this state will collapse. End. But they are not know that he is a spirit, because it is visible and it is in the shape of a creature, so they thought that he is also the human being.
वो कहती है दो जने हैं, एक का ब्रेन में छाप लिया तो क्या नाम है स्टेट क्लैप्स हो जाएगा, अगर मिल गया तो
हमारे से ज्यादा शार्प नहीं हुआ तो हमारे जैसे तेज नहीं हुए।
ठीक है।
Stephano, drink servant monaster, when I bid thy eyes are almost set in thy head. Stephano said, drink servant monaster, when I ask you to drink, your eyes are staring blankly as if they were set in your head. That I had told you drink. Drink then. Because your eyes are staring at me. And your eyes are looking me that it is situated in your head. Not at the place of eye. Because he was in drunken situation. He cannot see anything in the right manner. So, for him, Trincula's eyes was set into the head of Trincula, not at the place where eyes are clearly. Then Trincula replied, where should they be set else? He were a brave monaster indeed if they were set in his tail. Now they are talking about the Caliban. That Caliban's eyes also situated in the head. Then Trincula said, where else should they be set? He would be a handsome monaster if his eyes were set in his tail. They are calling Caliban as the servant monaster. He was the servant of Prospero. And he looks like an evil monaster. So they called him servant monaster. Then Trincula said that if his eyes were set into the tail also, then also he is a handsome servant monaster. No matter where the eyes set, whether it is on the eye place, whether it is on the head or whether it is at the tail. Doesn't matter, he is a handsome monaster. Then Stephano replied, for his speech, Stephano said, my man monaster hath drowned his tongue in sack. For my part, the sea cannot drown me. I swam ere I could recover the shore 5 and 30 leagues of and on, by this light thou shalt be my lieutenant, monastir, or my standard. Stephanos said that my monastir has so shook his tongue in wine that he can hardly speak, that he has drunken too much wine that he cannot speak. And he said that the sea cannot drown me. I swam about 35 leagues over the sea to reach the shore. He was boasting about himself now. Stephanos, that sea cannot drown me, because I had crossed 5 leagues over the sea to reach at the shore of the sea. It is, I think, any measurement of sea. A league is a distance of about 3 miles. 3 miles. That I had crossed 3 miles sea to reach at the shore. So now sea cannot drown me. And he said that by the light you will be my lieutenant, monastir, or you will become my standard bearer. That now you can hold a flag for me, and you can be my friend who is running with me, walking with me by holding a flag. आपने देखा है पुराने टाइम में जो किंग्स होते थे या जो भी सुपीरियर पर्सन मास्टर्स होते थे, उनके साथ में गार्ड्स जो है वो एक फैन या कुछ ऐसा लेके चलते रहते थे. लॉन्ग स्टिक होती है, उसके ऊपर कोई फैन लगा होता है या कुछ फ्लैग जो उनकी कंट्री का होता है, साइड्स पे चलते हैं. नाउ स्टेफनो इज ऑल्सो टेलिंग ट्रिंक्युला टू बी लाइक दैट पर्सन, दैट यू विल होल्ड द फ्लैग एंड वॉक विद मी. You can be my standard bearer. Standard bearer means the person who holds the flag.
Who holds the flag?
Flag. Standard means flag here. Bearer means companion, friend. Okay. Trincula, your lieutenant, if you list, he is no standard. Trincula said that he could be your lieutenant if you like, but he is no standard bearer, as he is incapable of standing on his legs. That if you are talking about Caliban can be your lieutenant, means he can be your servant, but he cannot be your standard bearer, because he has too much drunken that he can't even stand on his feet. So Caliban is not your standard bearer. I can be your standard bearer. Then Stephanos said, we will not run. Monsieur Monastir, that Mr. Monastir, we will not run away from the enemy. That enemies are here on the island. We can't run away from the enemy. We have to face our enemies. And we can't leave Caliban here. We have to take him also with us. Means Stephanos want to say to Trincula that whatever the condition may be, first thing, we cannot leave our companion. What situation he is having doesn't matter. Second, that he told us about our enemy. So we can also not run by our enemy. We have to face our enemies. कैलिबन ने किसके बारे में बताया था? प्रोस्पेरो के बारे में. कैलिबन एक प्लान बनाता है इनके साथ मिलके कि हमने उसको मारना है. It means Prospero is their enemy. So he said that we can't run away by the enemy. We have to face him.
And Prospero को face करना है.
Then Trincula, nor go neither, but you will be lie like dogs and yet say nothing neither. No, you will not even able to walk away either. You will lie down quietly like dogs. Trincula said to Stephanos that now you can't walk. You have drunken too much. So what will you do? You will lie down on the ground like a dog. Dog. Stephanos, moon calf, speak once in thy life if thou beest a good moon calf. Stephanos said that monastir, speak at least once in your life if you are a good monastir. That how are you speaking with me? Even once in your life you have to speak in a good manner. Then Caliban present there, and he said, how does thy honor? Let me lick thy shoe, I will not serve him, he will not value it. Caliban said to the Stefano that, how is your honor? Let me lick your shoes, I will not serve him, because he is not brave. Caliban presented there, and he said that, sir, to serve you, I can do anything. Even I am ready to lick your shoes, but I don't lick. But even I don't want to be the servant of Trincula, because according to me, he is not a brave man. Trincula is not a brave man according to the Caliban. He is thinking so. So he said that, I am not ready to serve Trincula, but I am ready to serve you. Then Trincula said, thou liest, most ignorant monster, I am in case to justle a constable. Why thou debauched fish, thou? Was there ever man a coward that hath drunk so much sack as I today? While thou tell a monestrous lie, being but half a fish and half a monster. Trincula replied for the Caliban, and he said that, you are telling a lie. Most ignorant monster, I am very brave, that I can fight with a policeman also. And he said that, you immoral fish, could any man who has drunken wine as much as I have today fail to be brave? He said that, I am in too much drunken situation today. Then also I can fight with a policeman. So how can I fail to be with the brave? Can you fight with a policeman in this one drunken situation? So how can you say me that I am not brave?
Yes.
Trincula, how can you tell such an outglorious lie, being only half a fish and half a monster, that you are half a fish and half monster? How can you tell lie for me to the Stefano? Now they both were fighting. Trincula was telling that how you used a non-brave word for me in front of Stefano. You can't do the work which I can do in this one situation also. So how can you tell me that I am not a brave man? Then Caliban, lo, how he mocks me, while thou let him my lord. Caliban told to Stefano now. He said that, my lord, how he is mocking me. Will you allow him to make fun of me? He said to Stefano that, sir, Trincula is mocking at me. He is laughing at me. Will you allow him to make fun of me? Then Trincula said, Lord, quoth he, that a monster should be such a natural. Trincula said that, Lord, he says, it is absurd that a monster should be such a stupid creature, that he is doing wrong request to you. He is telling you to punish me. I not even think that a poor person, a stupid person, a monster can be a stupid creature also. Till now he is a monster, but now he is a stupid creature who himself is doing wrong and he is complaining about me.
अच्छा ठीक है.
क्या कहता है कि अभी तक तो मोनेस्टर था, अब वो पागल भी है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो मेरे लिए झूठ आपसे बोल रहा है और मेरे लिए ही ये कह रहा है कि आप मुझे पनिशमेंट दो. सो ही इज स्टूपिड ऑल्सो. पहले उसने उसको बोला कि ब्रेव नहीं है.
अच्छा.
फिर उसने ही स्टेफनो को बोल दिया कि मेरे को आप उसको पनिशमेंट दो, वो मेरी मजाक उड़ा रहा है. तो वो कह रहा है कि वो दोनों बातें खुद ही करे जा रहा है. शिकायत भी खुद कर रहा है, गलत भी खुद बोल रहा है, तो वो पागल भी है. कैलिबन,
पहले ट्रिंकुला ने बोला था ना,
स्टेफनो को बोला था.
स्टेफनो को बोला था.
हाँ, क्योंकि कैलिबन तो तब तक आया ही नहीं था.
तो कुत्ते की तरह लेट जाओ.
हाँ, लेट जाओ मतलब कि वो ये कह रहा था कि हमें अपने एनिमी को इग्नोर नहीं करना है, हमें मतलब भागना नहीं है. तो वो कह रहा था कि तुम भागोगे कैसे, तुमने तो इतना ड्रिंक किया हुआ है कि तुम कुत्ते की तरह जमीन पे लेट जाओ.
लड़ाई स्टार्ट ट्रिंकुला ने की थी उसके साथ, मोस्टर के साथ. ये मोस्टर ने
कैलिबन ने आके शुरू की थी. कैलिबन ने आते ही उसको बोला था कि ये झूठ बोल रहा है कि मैं आपका स्टैंडर्ड बियरर नहीं बन सकता.
अच्छा ठीक है.
क्योंकि ये खुद जो है ब्रेव है नहीं है और मेरे लिए बोल रहा है। तो इनकी फाइटिंग शुरू हुई थी। समझ आ गया आपको?
कैलिबन है वो एक ब्रेव आदमी नहीं
नहीं कैलिबन है जो स्टार्ट किया है तब उसी जब बिल्कुल
नाम है।
बोला कैलिबन तो जो
उसको
स्टैंडर्ड डिग्री पर सबसे बेस्ट है।
कैलिबन वॉज हियरिंग समवेयर कि ट्रिंक्यूलर क्या बोल रहा है। He said that he is not, he cannot be your standard bearer because he is not a capable person. And now Caliban told to Stefano that he is a liar. He himself is not a brave man. So I am not ready to serve him, I am ready to serve you.
Okay.
Then Trincula said that how can you tell me that I am not a brave man? I had drunken too much, then also I can fight with a policeman. Can you do this? So how can you tell me that I am not brave? Then Caliban told to Stefano that he is mocking at me. He is making fun of me. So will you allow him to do so? Then again Trincula said that, sir, Lord, he himself has spoken wrong to me. Now he himself is complaining you about me. So he is not only the monster, he is a stupid creature. Then Caliban said, lo, again, beat him to death, I pities. Caliban said to Stefano that, look, again he is mocking me. So he said that, I request you to bite him to death. कि तुम उसे इतनी तेजी से बाइट करो कि वो मर ही जाए. Then Stefano said, Trincula, keep a good tongue in your head. If you prove a mutineer, the next tree, the poor monsters my subject, and he shall not suffer indignity. Then Stefano told him, Trincula, talk in a proper way. I will hang you on the next tree. If you will not talk in a proper way, I will hang you on the tree. And he said that this poor monster is my subject. My subject means related to me. He is also my friend. And he will not suffer any insult. That no one have right that he will suffer any insult. So, you should talk in proper manner, otherwise I will hang you on the tree.
मैम इधर बताना समझ नहीं आई।
क्या नहीं समझ
इधर
आया?
ग्राफ चल रहा है।
स्टेफनो ने कहा है कि तुम ढंग से बोलो, नहीं तो तुम्हें पेड़ पे टांग दूंगा.
कुछ ठीक होगा।
हाँ,
और
क्योंकि वो भी मेरा फ्रेंड है, तो किसी को हक नहीं है उसको इंसल्ट करने का.
ठीक है।
कैलिबन बोला
Then again Caliban spoke. I thank my noble lord. Wilt thou be pleased to hearken once again to the suit I made to thee? Caliban said, I thank you, my noble master. Would you listen once again to the request that I made to you? Stefano, Mary, will I kneel and repeat it? I will stand and so shall Trincula. Stefano said that, okay, I am happy. I will kneel and repeat your request. I will stand and so will Trincula. Okay, sit down, kneel down and tell me your request. I am standing here as well as Trincula also stand here and we will listen your request. Then enter Ariel. Ariel entered there but he was invisible. Ariel. He was invisible as he was a airy spirit. Now Caliban started to tell his request. What was his request? To kill Prospero. Caliban said, as I told thee before, I am subject to a tyrant, a sorcerer that by his cunning hath cheated me of the island. He said that, as I have told you earlier, He said that I am the slave of a tyrant. Tyrant, a clever person. And he said that a magician who by his magic has robbed me of this island. That I am a servant of a magician. And he has taken his power on me by the magic. Then Ariel, thou liest that you are lying. Again Trincula spoke in between. He said that you are lying now. Then Caliban said, thou liest, thou jesting monkey. Thou I would my valiant master would destroy thy, I do not lie. He said that you are a liar. You jesting monkey, I would request my brave master to destroy you. I do not lie.
Ariel said this word in Trincula's voice, right?
Caliban.
No, no.
Ariel said.
In Trincula's voice.
Ariel said, but here is one confusion. I am telling you, I am not telling a lie, you monkey, it is you who are lying. Now what happened? Ariel spoke these words that you are lying. Okay, but Ariel was invisible. Ariel spoke that you are lying. And Caliban thought that Trincula spoke these words. Because Ariel is not visible to them. So he started fight again with Trincula. He said that I am not liar, you are a liar. You are a monkey. And he said that I would request my master that first he will destroy you. Then I do not lie. I am not telling a lie. You monkey, it is you who you are lying. That I am not telling any lie. You Caliban to Trincula. But he has not spoken a single word.
Yes, ma'am.
Ariel had spoken, but he was thinking that Trincula had
Has
spoken.
spoken.
So we will stop here today. Tomorrow we will complete it.